What's up, you guys? Back at it again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys some sound clips of what I think is to be the best budget exhaust for your G37 or 370Z. I'm going to be doing G37 because that's what I have. I'll give you guys a cold start, and then I'm going to do some driving footage. I'll just stop talking and get you guys straight to the cold start. Cruising at about 65. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but the drone isn't too bad. It is present, but let's check it out at 80. The drone at 80 miles an hour. It's pretty minimal. There's nothing really, like, you can't really hear the exhaust. You just hear the tires more than the exhaust. But these are federal ISRs, so they are naturally freaking really noisy. Try 55 now. Once again, this isn't 6th gear, so what does it sound like? Alright, you guys, so here's like 55-ish. I'm gonna drop a gear. Oh my god, this guy's gonna rear end me. Right. Let me try this again. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to go 55 right now. There's like too many freaking morning people. Like, look at this. Impossible to film this right now. I'm on my way to work right now, but it's like really congested and I can't really do much. But I hope this is giving you guys kind of a better in-cabin audio, like sound clips of what this exhaust sounds like. Looks like we get to go under the bridge. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Those are some exhaust videos that I got of this exhaust. Once again, it is the ISR, the 350Z, just straight to the Y-Pipe, 3-inch Y-Pipe, ISR Y-Pipe, And then we got the ISR test pipes. These are resonated. So overall, I hope this video gave you guys a little bit of a better understanding what my exhaust setup sounds like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, just make sure to give this video a thumbs up, but don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll keep the content coming. I got a video that I'm working on. You guys should stay tuned to that. There's gonna be some spoolie noises going on. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed though. Once again, don't forget to like and comment, drop a comment and subscribe. Hello, how's it going?
It's going. Who's this video in the back?
That is me.
Well, what's up with the lights in the grill?
The lights in the grill?
Is that not a light in the grill?
Oh, that's my crash bar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you got like a little secret freaking red blue light.
Oh, no.
Sure, you think it's too stupid that makes me have to come out here.
Will do.
If you do, get out of here before I get here. How's it going?
You too. Alright guys, so we need more cops like that. That guy was pretty chill. I thought he's talking about my intake, so I just said it was my crash bar.